Hi, my name is Gary Mishuras. I'm the Managing Partner and Chief Investment Officer at Silver Ring Value Partners. I also teach the Value Investing Seminar at the F.W. Olin Graduate School of Business. I get asked a lot, what's a good rate of return? And how do you know? Or sometimes you see people say, well, I got offered this investment and it's offering me a 30% per year rate of return. What does that mean? Is that good, bad? Is it realistic? So here's one way to think about it, right? Returns are related. What are they related to? You have something what's called the risk-free rate, and that may be something like the government T-bill, the government bond that matures in 3 months or less, and that sets the kind of the stage for all the other returns. So over time, just to give you some perspective, you had inflation that's averaged, depending on the period, anywhere from 2 to 3%. And there have been periods where it's been higher, periods been lower, but 3% is probably been a good average right now in 2019. It's a bit lower than that, 1.5 to 2% is what the run rate is. Stocks, in comparison, have exceeded inflation over time by 6 to 7%. So if inflation and treasury bills have returned 2 or 3% over time, stocks have returned 9 to 10%. That, by the way, doesn't mean that they will do that in the next 10 years, but it's a good benchmark for you to think about. And as a matter of fact, from current levels, maybe you would expect somewhat lower returns given that valuations are above average and so forth. And so when you hear someone tell you, well, I have this investment opportunity for you that you're going to make 30% per year, chances are it's a scam. Or chances are, at the very best, they're fooling themselves and they're very over-optimistic. Without taking really high degree of risk, and by risk I mean probability of losing your money, they really can't generate 30%. So, be realistic, have the right set of expectations, and that helps you budget and helps you make a decision what's the right set of investments for you and also what you can expect from your portfolio.